when it comes to men's style, it's actually relatively easy. You want to make sure things fit right, make sure it's the right color, make sure it's in the right season, and yo, you got a good fit. See, as opposed to women, that it's a little bit more complex. For men, the bar is set so low, almost anybody can dress better. However, even with the bar being set this low, men still find a way to screw things up. Today, boys, I'm going to show you the 5 dressing rules men still get wrong till this day that's making you look bad. Let's go. Number 1, I call it the time and place rule. Look, I get it. I love that comfortable basics trend. Who doesn't want to live in comfortable clothing? Shoot, I have a whole company of just basics that sell you this exact product because it's so amazing. However, understanding time and place is so crucial. See, men fail to realize or fail to learn how to dress for the right occasion. What you forget is that not only do you have to worry about being comfortable, but you also have to worry about the message that you're sending. Without you wanting it or not, your clothing sends a message before you even say a word. So if you're going on a first date, or you're going to an interview, or in any situation that you have to look presentable, you have to move away from the comfortable stuff and move into the fitted stuff, the stuff that makes you look more mature, more serious. Knowing when to and how to dress is the first crucial step into dressing better. Number 2, understanding face shapes. I bet you right now, if I ask you what's your face shape, most of you have no clue what your face shape is, but you need to understand the shape of your face because this will determine what beard style you'll use, what hairstyle you'll use, and even what frames you'll use. See, once you understand your face shape, you can then choose those styles of beard, of hair, and even eyewear that can then make your face look more attractive and help you dress better. But if you don't even know your face shape, you won't even know where to start when it comes to styling this area of your body. And look, I'm gonna make it super simple for you. I'm gonna make it as easy as possible for you. If you guys go to our store, jadeblack.co, that sells eyewear, you can go to a tab. It's called Quiz. It's at the top corner. It's a free quiz. It probably takes you 10 seconds to do it. So anybody that's watching, I'd recommend you guys go do that right now. Click the link down below. Go to that quiz. The quiz is going to be about 10 seconds. Asks you 5 simple questions. And through those questions, you'll be able to better understand the shape of your face. And then we'll recommend what frames will suit your face better. See, once you understand this, you'll be able to buy those frames that give you that structured jawline, that give you that masculine appearance that will make you look more attractive. And I mean, once you're there, I do recommend checking out our new frame lines. Yo, we got some of the best frames in the game, and for only $49, our frames look and feel better than anything designer. See, our stuff, like our new aviators, our acetate aviators, yeah, they're made out of handmade Italian acetate. Polarized glass, stainless steel construction. You're getting some of the best frames in the market for only $49. And here's the thing, bro. With our quiz, we're going to recommend the frames that actually suit your face shape. See, because I don't just want you to buy any frames. I want you to buy frames that make you feel comfortable and make you look good. That's what I want. Every time you slip on a pair of Jade Blacks, I want you to turn into a different man. So, boys, if you guys want to check out that quiz, like I said, it's completely free. I'd click that link down below, and it's going to help you better understand the shape of your face. Which rolls us on to number 3. You're still dressing for other people. See, there's 2 groups of people that fall into this trap. One, you got the dude that dresses all comfortable so he can fit in within his circle of friends, so his friends don't roast him, so his friends don't ridicule him just because he's trying to level up his style. I see these types of emails all day long of people that don't know how to level up because they fear the ridicule of their own people, so they just stay in their comfortable wardrobe. In other words, they're still dressing to impress their friends instead of dressing to make themselves feel better and level themselves up, which then rolls on to the second type of person. The second type of person is the type of dude that will go and buy all designer. This is the type of dude that buys the flashiest, most craziest trends. Why? Not because he likes it himself, but because he wants to impress other people, because he wants to fool other people into thinking that he has money. Both of these type of people are falling for the same trap, and the problem is that it makes you uncomfortable. The problem is that it's not true to you. You see, here's the biggest problem that I see with this group of people. This is the type of person that will dress in their comfortable attire so they can stay comfortable within their group of friends, so their friends don't mock them as they're leveling up their style. The dudes that don't know where to start or don't know how to dress better because they fear the ridicule of their own friends. Brother, here's the reality. When people see you leveling up, of course they're gonna make fun of you because they don't want you to improve. They want to bring you down so you stay at their level. This is the problem. See, if you want to ever grow with your style, you're going to have to get a little uncomfortable. Any type of growth requires a little uncomfort. And when it comes to leveling up, stop dressing to impress your friends and dress to impress yourself, to fuel your own confidence. That's how you grow past that and makes you stand out from the crowd. Which rolls us on to number 4. Most dudes don't understand their own body shape. See, because the ideal male body shape is that inverted triangle, right? That very strong shoulders, thin waist, and then strong tree trunks at the bottom. But not everybody's shaped that way. You got pairs, you got people that are shaped like ovals or circles, you got guys that are shaped like squares or rectangles. The truth is that everybody has their own body shape, and if you don't understand your own, you're not gonna learn how to dress. For example, that oversized clothing trend, that looks good on athletic and thin guys because it even makes you look a little bit thicker and bigger. But on really overweight guys, the problem is that all that excess fabric makes you look even more overweight, makes you look like a parachute. So you're gonna wanna actually cut away a lot of that excess fabric to trim down the visual weight of your body. So that's where understanding your body shape becomes important so you can wear the right clothing that's actually gonna make you look good. And finally, number 5, the mistake that most people believe that they need a new wardrobe to look good. See, most guys don't start dressing better because they think they need a lot of money or they have to replace their entire wardrobe to look better. The truth is you don't. See, 1, all you gotta do is strip down to your basics that you have in your wardrobe, and 2, you wanna grab those basics, take them to your tailor, and get them fitted. See, I actually wanted to test out this theory. See, at the end of the day, fit is still king, and I wanted to test out this theory, and I actually did a whole social study where I grabbed 10 guys, 9 of the guys were wearing designer head to toe. Every fit was $2,000 to $5,000 plus per fit. One of the guys was my infiltrator. This dude was wearing a Walmart $30 outfit that I got perfectly tailored for his body. Here's the interesting part. He was not singled out. The goal within the video or the study was for the guys to be able to single out the infiltrator, the guy that was wearing cheap clothing or the clothing that wasn't name brand. Nobody was able to single out my guy, which was the Walmart guy, because at the end of the day, fit is king. That's all people realize. Letting you know it doesn't matter if you got Walmart or Salvatore Ferragamo in your closet, you don't need a new wardrobe. All you gotta make sure is you got your basics that fit right. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Like I said, dressing right for men, it's easy, but men still continue to make one of these 5 mistakes that's making you look bad. That's it for me today, boys. See you next time.